Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your device. For this, first, you need to install XAMPP server. Check the link in description to check the video on how to install XAMPP. Now back to this. First, go to wordpress.org and click Get WordPress on upper right corner. Then select Download WordPress latest version. I cancelled it because I've already downloaded it. Now open XAMPP control panel and run Apache and MySQL. Before installation, these two must be running on XAMPP. Open Downloads, cut WordPress zip folder and paste it in folder htdocs, which is in XAMPP folder. This can be done in two ways. 1. Open XAMPP control panel and click Explorer. 2. Open local disk C where XAMPP is installed. Click on XAMPP folder. Here you can see htdocs. Now extract this WordPress folder here in htdocs. Cut this WordPress folder and paste in docs. Delete this one as it is empty now. For all websites, you will create folder. Rename it whatever you want to name it. Now let's connect. Type localhost / folder name, enter. Here we need to fill this information. We don't have to change database host and table prefix. Now let's create database. Go to localhost. Click PHP My Admin. Click New, type database name. Now for username and password, click PHP. My admin here username is root and there is no password. Here type username and leave password blank. Click Run Installation. Set title. Type username, set password as you want. Now next. Click Login, type username and password we set for website. This WordPress dashboard open. Now to open website, type localhost / name of folder we created and enter. To open login area or WordPress dashboard, type localhost / folder name / wp-admin.